trip, right?
Yeah.
Types of trip.
So what?
Hurry up.
I know that's right.
Ah! Jesus, what?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with
That's
you,
not
Doug?
funny. That's not funny.
Doug,
I have feelings.
Doug, think with your brain.
Not your mouth.
Oh
Right.
God, you guys are...
Golly.
Oh, man.
It's going. I say that? Who came up with that one?
Oh, here she comes.
Shut up, man.
Oh, hey,
Hey, John.
hey,
How
oh,
are
man.
you?
Doug, who
Good,
did you bring into
good.
the park?
Right.
No, I didn't invite her.
Oh, someone's.
Who's that?
Oh man.
Hey, you. No, don't look back. I'm talking to you. Come here.
Dude, oh, you stupid.
Hey, watch this. All right, yeah. You come on, a little quicker. I don't got all day. Let me pick up the spades. Not gonna hurt you. Wary, Western West. Come here. Come on, I gotta talk to you. So how you been, little buddy?
Hey, he ain't gonna hurt you.
Yeah, I ain't gonna hurt you. Everybody see this.
Hey.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It looks cool.
Oh, so shaky on this one.
It's the wind.
Action.
But yeah, guys.
Man, I hope they come back, man.
It's taking a long time.
Right.
Yeah.
They taking too long.
A really long time.
So, Sean,
Yeah, what's up?
what's your favorite color?
I like red.
You like red?
Red's my favorite.
Oh, dang.
Red's a good color.
Yeah, I
Nice
like-
romantic color.
What
Red
are
roses.
you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm just having a conversation. No, don't be tripping.
I'm telling.
Tell him what?
I'm telling Jess.
Tell Jess. Jess gonna say the same thing. I'm just having a natural. You need to be quiet,
You
Steve.
a pimp,
Yeah,
bro.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Okay, I'm about to go look for Doug and Jess.
You leaving too?
I'm going to look for
Hey,
them.
find my girl. Tell her to get back to his car.
You coming too?
Okay.
You too.
Who you yelling?
What about me?
You can wait and watch the
We'll
car.
be right back.
We'll be back. We're gonna come right back. We're gonna come on,
Don't worry
guys.
about it. We'll be right back.
Come on.
I'll be back. Well, we'll be back. I don't know.
What is taking them so long? Ah! Oh, Doug! You scared me. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. I got a message. You're not Doug?
Doug, Jess, Doug, Jess.
Yes!
Oh my God,
Doug!
Doug!
Oh, Doug! Oh, Jess! Wait, Doug, come here. Doug!
No! I have a flat tire.
No, it's not. This is a sweater.
Whatever.
Hey, you got me.
Corey, come here.
Everybody!
What is going on?
I don't know.
Right! Everybody's dead! Everybody dropping like flies! I don't know!
Oh, Jesus. Frankenstein.
Right! What is happening?
Look at
What
Doug.
is happening?
Wait, oh, you
Who
gotta
Doug?
go.
Doug!
What you mean, who Doug? Who you talking
I don't know
about?
who Doug is.
Doug
Doug is
died.
dead!
I'm just a random person in the street.
What? Doug is dead! Doug is dead!
Jesus.
Like
Doug-
murdered?
Ah!
Set, go. Corey, what the?
Wait.
What the? Uh-oh. Jess. Hold up. Stop. Hey, pause. Why, girl? You stop moving. Why? Tell me you killed Doug and everybody.
Why don't you ever want to hang out with me? Why are you always with your friends, huh? Well, now you don't have any.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
I ain't touching the floor.